Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovate Code Hub YouTube channel. I am Damit. Today I am going to explain about Java polymorphism. For the explanation purpose, I have created a class called vehicle. Inside vehicle class, you can see there is a method called start. For the explanation of polymorphism, I need to create two different children class which are extend from vehicle class. First one is class by extends from vehicle, and I need to override vehicle class related method from by class. As it is same, I need to create another class called car extend from vehicle, as well as I need to override start method from car class. Okay, I'm gonna print each start method from main method. For that, I have to create vehicle object inside main method, and I have to add particular objects to this array, like new bike and new car. I have added two objects to vehicle array. Then I am gonna loop vehicles array inside main method, vehicle vehicles. Then I am gonna call vehicle dot start. When I run this code, you can see output as starting the bike, starting the car. I will explain what happened here. When we call same method, I mean start method, when we call start method on difference object, when we call start method on difference object means bike and car, Java automatically figures out which method to use for each object. Java automatically figures out which methods need to be executed for particular reference call. This is what polymorphism is all about. It lets us handle different objects in a uniform way, making our code more flexible and easy to maintain. When we use polymorphism in our code, we will be able to make our code more flexible and easy to maintain. This is a basic regarding Java polymorphism. I think you could grasp my explanation regarding polymorphism. Until next time, happy coding. Thanks all.